Wanted to show you guys some cool shit right here. Maxstar 161 STH arced out on the output stud. I've never seen it to that extent. I've seen small damage, but nothing that big on these little guys. That's why I always make sure your connections on tight. If they're not tight, things get hot. When things get hot, shit starts cooking. And I don't know if they also cut it out to get that output stud out of there, but or it just melted. But the output stud is brass, so I don't know at what point it would start melting. It's just kind of weird that it's completely missing. So this customer has to get the PC board, output stud, front panel, and that little screw that keeps the output stud in there. All those parts are around $1,200. That board itself is around $1,100, and these things brand new on Google said anywhere from 1.7 to 2.6K, 1,700, and that means, you know, between 1,700 and 2,600. I'm gonna go see what the customer wants to do. This thing is from 2017, so had a decent life. Just wanted to show you guys what happens when you potentially when you leave your connections loose. See it from the inside, maybe a little bit. Nah, you can't see much. Anyways, catch you guys later.